Managing corporate spending effectively is key to maintaining financial control and boosting operational efficiency, especially for growing startups and modern enterprises. Manual expense tracking often leads to errors, overspending, and a lack of visibility into real time financial activity. That's where Brex comes in. Brex is a modern expense management platform that combines smart corporate cards with automated expense tracking, approval workflows, and detailed spend insights. Designed with speed, control, and scalability in mind, Brex helps finance teams gain better oversight while empowering employees to spend responsibly. In this video, we'll walk through Brex's core features, how they work, and why it's a top solution for companies looking to modernize their financial operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the smart corporate cards. Brex provides virtual and physical cards that can be issued instantly to employees with custom limits, merchant restrictions, and policy controls. Each card is linked to your account with automated transaction syncing. You gain real time visibility into employee spending while maintaining strict control over budgets and allowable expenses without needing to chase down receipts or reimbursements later. Another key feature is the automated expense categorization. Every transaction made with a Brex card is automatically categorized based on your company's chart of accounts. You can also add custom fields, attach receipts, and sync with your accounting software. This cuts down on manual data entry and reduces errors, making month end close faster and more accurate for finance teams. Another key feature is the reimbursements for out of pocket spending. Brex isn't limited to card transactions. Employees can also submit mileage logs, travel expenses, or personal payments made on behalf of the company. Reimbursement requests go through the same policy checks, and approval flows before funds are transferred automatically via ACH. With reimbursements built into the same platform, you eliminate the need for separate tools or processes and maintain a complete centralized view of all spending across the organization. Another key feature is the custom approval workflows and spend policies. With Brex, you can create multi level approval workflows based on transaction type, amount, department, or employee role. You can also build proactive controls that prevent out of policy expenses like blocking certain vendors or setting daily limits on travel. This keeps the approval process streamlined for routine transactions while flagging only what needs attention. Managers save time, and finance can rest easy knowing policies are enforced before money is spent. Another key feature is the advanced dashboards and real time spend insights. Brex provides powerful dashboards that show company wide spending in real time. You can filter by employee, vendor, team, location, or category. Trends and anomalies are easy to spot, and finance teams can export detailed reports directly to accounting platforms like NetSuite, QuickBooks, Xero, and more. This level of visibility helps you stay within budget, track your burn rate, and uncover ways to optimize your company's spending. So, why is Brex a great choice? Brex sets itself apart by delivering both flexibility for employees and accountability for finance. It's not just another corporate card or expense tool. It's a financial operations platform designed for the modern business. In 2025, Brex has expanded even further, offering global payments, multi entity support, and deeper integrations with HR, payroll, and procurement systems. Its scalable architecture is ideal for companies growing quickly across teams, departments, or geographies. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, allowing teams to onboard quickly without long training sessions. Whether you're a CFO, a controller, or a team lead, you'll find tools that reduce friction, automate repetitive tasks, and drive compliance without micromanagement. Brex also emphasizes compliance and security, ensuring SOC 2, PCI DSS, and GDPR alignment, important for organizations in regulated industries. Its mobile first approach makes it easy for distributed teams and field based employees to manage expenses on the go. So basically, in a fast paced business world, financial operations need to be just agile as your team. Brex delivers that agility along with control, automation, and insight. By combining smart cards, real time spend monitoring, custom workflows, and direct accounting integrations, Brex empowers your company to spend smarter. Employees get the tools they need to move fast, while finance stays fully in control of budgets, compliance, and reporting. So, if you're ready to eliminate manual expense reports, gain real time visibility, and bring order to company spending, Brex is one of the smartest platforms to adopt in 2025. It's modern finance made easy. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.